In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop Facebook showing you adult videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to head over to menu. On menu, tap at that gear to move on to the settings and privacy. And then, down below here, you can easily find News Feed. If we get into News Feed, at the very bottom, we need to tap at Reduce and then select Sensitive Content. In here, by default, selected the first option, Reduce, which is default. However, to increase the protection from sensitive content on your Facebook account, I recommend you to select Reduce More. It says that you may see fewer posts in your feed that have things like sexually suggestive content, certain violent or graphic content, people who repeatedly share posts that go against Facebook community standards. Then hit at OK, and basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.